Today I'm challenging myself to build 3 Discord servers, one in under 1 minute, one in 10 minutes, and one in 1 hour. Can I really build a Discord server in 1 minute? Stay tuned to find out, and if you have the time, see how far you can take it as well. 60 seconds starting in 3, 2, 1, begin. And that's all that we had time for. So let's get out of here, see what we got created. All right, I was not able to get a ton accomplished in just 60 seconds. This is actually quite fun to try and very difficult, so you should try it yourself. And if you do, be sure to leave a comment down below of how you did and what you were able to accomplish in just 60 seconds. For me, I have this general channel, which always comes with it. I have the welcome channel, which I said hello in. I mean, it's not an automated system, but at least it's a way to get the chat started. We have some rules here, just have fun, pretty straightforward. And then we have the gaming channel and the chatting channel. We also have a section I just called bots because, everybody's a bot. And then as far as the roles go, I was able to create an admin and an owner role. I wasn't able to assign anything to those roles, as well as I was not able to set up permissions for specific channels or chats or anything like that. So I was able to get a little bit accomplished, but not as much as I would be able to in 10 minutes. So let's see what we can accomplish in 10 minutes and see how good of a Discord server we can actually build. Starting in 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Okay, we did not get a ton accomplished, but I think we had a decent amount of functionality added to this. I wasn't able to finish creating the welcome page. So when a member joins the channel, it will actually say something in the welcome channel. The rules channel, it's got some permissions, so nobody else can edit in this channel, but I made this one rules post. So at least we have some rules here. The announcement's similar. I didn't set up the second permission for owners or admin to make the post. I wish I would have done that, but that's okay. I forgot that while I was running through. And at least we do have an announcement here, and it says some stuff that will come up in the future. I didn't edit the server name, but that's okay. And then the stockbot channel, this is pretty nice. We only have the price bot set up right now. So if I want to see the price of NVIDIA currently, it'll pull back the current price of NVIDIA, which is 172.22. The stock chat, if you want to talk stocks. Then we have our guest game down here at the bottom. I think this is pretty nice. We have a game. We don't have any store credits yet, but 10 minutes isn't a whole lot of time. And we have a server that does not look bad. We have functionality with it. I would be able to use this server and others could join this and have great use out of it as well without having to leave. I think that's a win. But let's see what all we can accomplish in 1 hour. 1 hour Discord server. How much can I fully build in 1 hour? Well, I just finished recording this part and I accidentally overwrote that. So I'm not able to show you from start to finish me doing everything, but you didn't want to watch an hour long video anyways. So I'm going to give you the highlights really fast. Let's go ahead and take a look at this server that I created. I created the server called King Server. I set up some different roles and permissions. I don't have any members, so I wasn't able to give them to everybody. We have a welcome committee. Whenever you join, there's a bot that will automatically send a message to you and it says some nice stuff. You can open it up as a thread and go ahead and comment through that. For our community section, we have a welcome as well. So you can greet people with this community command greet. We have a rules, community rules that you can post in any channel as well. With these rules that we set up here, I would have liked to have had a little bit more time so I could have customized this a little nicer, made it look a little cleaner. Maybe I would have just built an image that had all this built into it. Then on our announcements page, we can run a command to create new announcements. And it's very straightforward, very simple so far. Our new videos section, you can post new videos that come out. This is admin only as well. There were permissions on these other channels. For our stockbot channel, this is not as good as my stockbot video. So if you haven't seen that, be sure to check that out. But this has some stock commands that you can use. You just type stocks command and then price and the ticker or whatever you're wanting to see for that specific stock. We have our earnings call channel, which is for, of course, earnings calls if people want to go and check those out. Then we have a memes channel. This one's kind of fun. So you can reset memes with this command. You can also use submit meme to add a meme. So I'm going to add a couple memes into the queue. You can see that we got a couple of office memes here. And then if you start running the at again command, it'll cycle through. I added a lot of default images, so it is a lot harder to get one of these new ones, but I would just go through and I would clean those up, put in some fun ones. And this is a way that the community itself can add memes here, and you can just filter through and have a good time looking at those and laughing at it. I was thinking that there might be a better way to keep this clean as well, but I didn't have a lot of time, so I'll stick with how it is for now. We also have our daily rewards channel. Our daily rewards channel has a few flaws. So first off, I created this guessing game. The winning guess is 7. So if I guess 7, now everybody can see that 7 is the winning answer. Well, if I spam 7 a bunch of times, we can see that I'm going to win a bunch of times in a row and it'll give me all these credits for it. It's not the best way that I designed that. And if I had a little more time, I would have fixed the code for this. But of course, there are always flaws. And if you only have 1 hour to code up an entire game server for this, it is not a lot of time. But we have a working point system. If you guess the right number, then your points get added. These obviously went out of order because I just spammed this. But if we just guess one time, and let's say we guess without a number, it'll give us our thing saying that we need to guess with a number. And then if we guess the wrong number, it'll say that you don't get any crowns and the number was wrong. I just would have a few lines of code to change for this, but not a big deal. And it has a point system, our crowns that we get, which we can go and use in our marketplace. So this isn't the best functioning store that I was able to create. I was hoping to add some images, hoping to add some titles that would get added on to your name in the server. I wasn't able to finish all of that up, and I started with a really basic amount. You could buy a hat for 300. You could go all the way up to trying to buy the queen's chair for 2500 or the emperor's sword for 5,000. And I thought it would be kind of cool to change your titles, add an image based on which one you did. But of course, I ran out of time and then the video was accidentally overwritten. But it's okay. That's part of it. That's part of building a Discord server in 1 hour. We can't expect perfection, but this is a really good, fully functioning Discord server. So let me know if you were able to build one in 1 hour better than this, what all functionality you decided to add to your server, and what you think is needed in this server to make it better. Be sure to leave that down below in the comments. And while you're there, if you want to like the video, it really does help me a ton. If you're interested in subscribing for future content, that also is greatly beneficial for me and it does not cost a thing. But either way, I really appreciate you being here. I appreciate the support and I hope you have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.